Hello everyone, my name is Ziyang. Today I'm going to talk about Huawei. There are the content of today's topic. The first one is summary of the Huawei. Huawei is a Chinese multinational technology corporation that was founded in 1987 in Shenzhen, China. Huawei focuses on developing information and communication technology and a smart device to bring digital to people around the world. Huawei expands its service in international markets and in Australia, but its service and market in Australia suffered a big shock and impact since the 5G network ban in 2018. The Australian government has banned Huawei 5G technology because of the consideration of national security and information governance. The second one is Huawei marketing problem. In 2018, Huawei regarded Australian government's ban as a political motivated action. Huawei business dropped 21% for 2019 Australian market. Therefore, Australian governmental ban is a huge impact on its service and the market in Australia, and such circumstance deserves deeper exploration and analyze for finding a solution of Huawei to continue its service in Australia market. Microanalyze. The first one is a supplier: AMD, Intel, TSA, Sony, and Samsung. The competitor is Apple, Samsung, and then Microsoft. The customers: political motivated and affected group in Australia. The fourth one, Huawei resources. Financial assistance and resources, organization, physical and technological resources are tangible resources for Huawei. In 2019, the Chinese government offered billions of dollars in financial support for Huawei to invest its technology and open its international market. In some extent, the success and the technology advantage of Huawei produced the benefits for China's national economy, international position, and development trends. Therefore, the Chinese government is generous and supportive for Huawei business and the technology development for mutual growth. In the concept of technological resources, 5G technology patent is precious and a competitive resource for Huawei. Huawei has 3,007 declared 5G patent families, which is highest out of any company in the world. Also, Huawei charged royalties for companies for its 4G and 5G patent. About $1.2 billion is estimated for Huawei to receive between 2019 and 2021 because of its patent royalties. Therefore, Huawei leads the market and profit of 5G technology patent in the industry, and the patent and its royalties are competitive advantage and the resources of Huawei in global market. Human resources and innovation resources are intangible resources for Huawei. The skills, knowledge, and the ability of Huawei and the employee are top level. And Huawei offers 300,000 US dollar salaries to return top tech talent in order to stay ahead. The talent in Huawei, as from the world, they have the top ability and knowledge on telecommunication and technology research. In 2020, 53.4% of total workforce is R&D employees in Huawei, and Huawei's R&D investment has exceeded Chinese yuan about 729,000 million over the past decade. Therefore, Huawei's tangible and intangible resources are competitive and significantly valuable and favorable to its technology, industry, and business development in global market. Fifth one, the Huawei capabilities. The Huawei capabilities mainly come from two functional areas: its human resource capability, research and development capability. In the area of human resource capability, Huawei provides good motivations, employment, and retaining policies are for employees to encourage them. The human resources are fully performant in Huawei, and the company can make itself more competitive and by enhancing its human resource within the system. In the area of research and development capability, Huawei has innovated technology and leading to facilitate 5G and 6G technology. Huawei has a strong capability to compete with competitors. As a result, Huawei has a strong competition in the area of human resource and R&D capability. The company can develop these areas to enhance its image and attraction in the market. This one is we will analyze. According to above, we will analyze results. The sustainable competitive advantage of Huawei are its financial and technological resources. For Huawei and its competitors, governmental assistance and support are difficult to imitable in short term, and such resources are valuable, rare, and organized in Huawei. Then Huawei's 5G and 6G technology and patents are valuable, rare, hard to imitable, and well organized in the market. The technological resources create a sustainable competitive advantage for Huawei. For other resources and capability, some of them are not rare and possible to imitable. They serve Huawei as a temporary competitive advantage. Huawei's value chain. According to the model of the value chain, the function for Huawei are finance, human resource, supply chain management, marketing, and follow-up service. The Huawei can rely on its solid financial resources and the capability to create a foundation for its operation. Human resource management can encourage talented employees to build Huawei technologies. Supply chain management can help Huawei develop its own factories. Technological partners and technique to rely on itself instead of foreign supplier. Marketing activity are helpful for Huawei to understand customer needs and develop brand attraction. Follow-up service, perfect Huawei marketing performance through making service, customer feedback, satisfaction, and providing product warranty. As a result, Huawei competition and the brand value can be strengthened by this value chain activity. Competitor analyze. Apple, the loyal customer, reputable awareness, unique design, exclusive operating system. Samsung, the large product portfolio, one-stop shopping experience. Huawei, large portfolio, smooth operating system, and advanced technology. Macro analyze. For Huawei, political forces and negative for its international development because technology and product ban in the US, Australia, Japan, New Zealand, and Taiwan. Although Chinese government is taking action to assist Huawei, political forces create the barriers for Huawei international market. Due to COVID-19, global and the regional economic status are negative for market and business. Huawei market gets negative impact because of the decline of the GDP, household disposable income, and unemployment problem, and the marketing fluctuation. Social culture forces are heavily impacted by political and external environment of Huawei. Foreign customers may develop resistant attitudes to Huawei product because of the information and the security concerns. Technological communication and investment facility Huawei development. It also generates the straight for Huawei to cope with its competitors' technology development progress. Environmental elements create pressure for Huawei to invest and develop green technology and business in international market. Overall, the macro environment and elements produce pressure for Huawei to cope with rather than benefits or advantage. Porter's 5 force analyze. The entry, higher barriers, experience, and technology requirement, and supply power, the strong dominance and high reliance on suppliers. Substitution, difficult to substitute, high switching cost, advanced technology, the buyer power, multiple alternatives, moderate level of substitution ability. The last one, competitive rivalry, moderate high risks of supplier reliance and dominance, and strengths and weakness. The technological innovation and international awareness are Huawei's strengths. Huawei initiates technology development of global telecommunication industry by having 5G and 6G technologies. International cooperation and the service promotes Huawei awareness in global markets, including Africa, Singapore, Australia, and European countries. A weak competition and customer loyalty are Huawei weakness because Apple and Samsung has strong competition, and Huawei has not achieved close and effective communication with customers to enhance the brand loyalty. Opportunities and straight. The governmental support and R&D investment are opportunity for Huawei to open its international market under governmental support and a political relationship. Huawei can also enhance its competition through leading the research and the development of 6G technology in global industry. Supplier reliance and political control are traits for Huawei. Huawei performance is controlled by suppliers because Huawei does not own the core technology of chipset and the sensor, and it lacks experience and skill to make qualified and excellent product parts. Huawei performance is also threatened by political restriction and bans in international market. Huawei strategy. Huawei is suggested to rely on governmental support and assistance develop its own supply chain and suppliers in domestic environment. Through holding the core technology of a chipset, sensor, and other parts manufacturing, Huawei can rely itself to develop 5G and 6G technology and promote its competition in global market. This page is a reference.